How was your title Tuesday, Anish?
Was I was very tired today, so I played quite badly. But in the end, it was okay score. I had 8.5 out of 11, and Vidit scored even more with 9 out of 11. He was doing even better. He was actually having 9 out of 10 or not?
8 out of 9.
8 out of 9. Yeah, yeah. Then he played
Oh
against
damn,
Hikaru.
man! I've become a druggie. I've started doing chess drugs.
Hmm?
So what I do is basically when it's my move, when I've moved my pieces, it's opponent's move. I quickly pre-move my queen right where it's going to get killed, and then I bring it back. And I've gotten addicted to doing this. It's a horrible
What?
habit.
Some adrenaline
Yeah,
kicker was
yeah.
for
It's
the
like,
chat. The chat gets. I think the chat gets adrenaline kick.
even
more
I get
than
an
you.
adrenaline with that. It's
Ah.
like I have moved my piece with it. It's opponent's time to think. I quickly bring my queen right next to its pawn where it's going to get killed, and then I bring it back. The pre-move I
You
cancel it.
pre-move.
Yeah,
you pre-move.
and then I cancel
and
it.
if you get unlucky, it's like a Russian roulette. Russian roulette. If
Yeah.
you get unlucky, then oh.
I didn't get
Yeah,
it, but
भाई देख मैं
Vidit,
क्या
he
करता हूँ मैं
pre-moves.
pre-move कर देता
I
हूँ
never got drugs. I never got drugs.
अरे
So-
भाई अगर F2 पे pawn है ना मैं queen लेता हूँ सीधा कहाँ पे F2 के diagonal में क्या होता है
Vidit,
D4
have you,
से.
and I
have
drop
you
it there
watched,
then I bring it back right click.
Have you watched Queen's
Ah.
Gambit? We did.
So you make it, and if he makes a move,
Yes,
okay,
exactly.
it's,
For a
okay.
few seconds, it's a gamble. It's a
Ah.
gamble. Did you have you watched Queen's Gambit or not?
Queen's Gambit, yeah.
I watched. I started like in. I don't. First of all, watch. I don't get time to watch, but I was watching today while having lunch, and I
Mhm.
watched the first 15 minutes. It's so
Mhm.
slow. Story is not moving only. It's like so slow.
No, at
She's
some point
there.
it will accelerate. At some point she will turn from this little girl to big one, and then it will go.
But she's now. She's like. It felt like a drag.
No,
the
it's
first
gonna be
15 minutes.
it's gonna be fast. It's pretty,
Unpopular
it's pretty,
opinion.
Yeah,
No.
this
It's, you have to
opinion
eat, you have to
when-
have more lunches and it will be fine. Just eat and
this
watch.
is the opinion
and,
you have when Netflix doesn't sponsor that stream with you. Then
Yeah,
your
yeah,
opinion changes after Netflix
sure.
gives you money.
No, I was not at all into this stuff, but I have to go to television to talk about it soon. So that's why I also have to watch it now.
No, the thing is, even if Netflix paid, I'm not saying that it's a bad show. You know, I'm
Yeah.
just saying the first
slow
15
show.
minutes are slow.
Yeah, Netflix, you're
I
hearing
mean-
him out.
That's,
Once
this
Netflix
is always
India-
the case, no?
Netflix,
First 15
you're
minutes,
hearing.
always
You will
slow,
get
no?
the honest reviewer, honest reviews.
You are also honest only, bro. Mama's best Netflix, great platform to watch.
I watched your with Sagar this thing you did
Which
for
one?
Netflix India.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, I know this is so bad, no? It's so bad.
Saga just spoiled.
Sagar, I mean, it was really bad, man.
Oh, man.
Yeah, no, it was terrible. Somebody you talk about like I think what's those the blanket or something. I mean, very weird stuff.
Yeah. We paused at random things. We talked about a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
We had to
but
make
it
only
was,
5 minutes out of it, no?
Samay bhai, first of all, how is the book?
It
you read it?
smells good.
Wow.
How can I read it?
Talia.
कैसे bro? How can I read it in one day? I got it today.
Read it, no, only 600 pages.
Yeah, sure.
But this is really the biggest book ever.
Is it?
Yeah,
But
it's the biggest book ever.
It's a feel-good book, Samay. Like,
Yeah,
you
it's feel
can
good, yeah.
watch this for inspiration. Look at one beautiful game in the book.
You can
in
open
King's
in
Gambit.
random page. I think
Random
so.
page and look at a
Random page.
beautiful position.
The conclusion
yeah.
is that. Okay. You know, very sweet. You gave me your autograph in the beginning. That's epic.
Yes.
Thank you. How much?
Did autograph?
Yeah.
Yeah?
When you become world champion, I will sell this for at least $1,000.
ये देखो कर दी ना. My price after becoming world champion is only $1,000.
I was also surprised actually. You know, I was thinking, okay, if we
Okay, man. 1,500. Fine. But your signature is damn crazy, man.
no, but
It's actually copied.
Ah,
You know my signature.
from?
I used to play chess, so I didn't know how to do a sign.
you still play chess with it.
No.
I used to play chess. I know this. Don't be so negative with it. You are still fine. Come on, confidence in yourself. I understand you are a streamer, but you are still play chess. Come on, what is this, man?
Can chat
No,
see your signature?
that's my autograph, not sign.
Oh, work hard until your autograph becomes your signature. ऐसा बोलते हैं ना?
But I can't have my signature as my autograph.
Yeah,
you know,
makes sense.
for
Oh, I
obvious
do. True.
So it's my autograph.
With whom from whom did you copy this?
So I used to go to a neighbor.
Beautiful.
And used to be a very good
Autographer.
chess player. So he just taught me how to.
This sounds also very suspicious, like the story. Yeah. I used to go to my neighbor. I mean, it's very weird stuff. Yeah.
no. Anish,
Continue.
don't think like that.
Continue.
सोच ही ऐसी अभी क्या
तो भाई क्या हो गया अनिश गिरी को? What has happened to Anish Giri?
Anish Giri spoiled.
Anish Giri spoiled. Anish Giri
What?
18
No,
plus.
but like, I mean, no, what about me, guys? Come on, it's not my fault. It's just the guy makes the story that he's going to his neighbor. I mean, what? Okay, continue.
What continue now? What
No, no,
continue?
continue. Okay,
What
continue.
continue? He taught me how to do autograph. End of the story. What continue?
How did he
After
teach you?
spoiling, after interrupting 10 times, he's like, now continue. How
How
will I
did he teach you?
continue?
He taught you autograph. What did you teach him?
Huh?
What
I
did you teach
learned.
him? Look at Anish Giri laughing.
Vidit just said thank you. I
Oh my
left.
god.
Uh,
But yeah, this time there are some new awards we have introduced.
yeah, I saw very good stuff. Yeah, some for everyone there. For
No,
everyone, yeah?
you know what I noticed? Samay is an entrepreneur. He's a comedian third, entrepreneur first, second a chess player, third a comedian.
By second comedian, yaar, please.
But like you like to organize things, you're very creative when it comes
But
to
why
and
am I not creative on the board? Today what happened to me? I played such a pathetic game today against Levy.
I think it's all
No, but it's difficult. It's too strong opponent. To be
just
honest.
I would give you one advice. Ask for forgiveness to Sagar Bhai.
Never.
Never
I
miss
shall
with your
crush.
coaches.
I shall crush Biswa Kalanath.
If you reach.
ये देखो भाई, तुम्हें कॉल किया भाई, क्या कर रहे हो भाई? God.
Arey, you can't say anything bad about Sagar Bhai. Sagar Bhai, Sagar
Hey,
Bhai. Sagar Bhai is eternal.
On Twitter you
Okay,
write
Vidit,
something
I
else.
think if Samay loses, at least it will be a good lesson on karma. Yeah, it's like what karma is real. It's a proof. If does karma exist or not, that's a proof.
Yeah, no, it doesn't exist. We will win.
No, Vidit believes in karma. I know that. So
Call Raja bhai. Where is Raja, guys? Is Raja available?
Raja is actually in general available now, but I don't know if. Vidit, did you also get asked for?
Yeah. And then, yeah. World
Yeah, yeah.
Championship tomorrow. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Day after, no? No, not
18 tomorrow. Today.
Oh,
today
what is today?
in India?
No, wait. Are you doing tomorrow as well? Without
Yeah,
me,
tomorrow.
maybe.
No, it's you tomorrow, no?
No, tomorrow I couldn't. So I moved. I mean, I do one thing on Friday only.
It's World Championship of Hand and Brain.
Oh,
Wait, who is doing it then? Because I'm not there.
Oh, I thought you're doing it. That's
No,
why I
I'm
said.
doing on Friday.
Oh, I
I'm
don't
doing
know
on
that.
Friday. I don't know. No, I was invited. I was asked for
Chess
tomorrow as
24.
well.
On Chess
Yeah, I was asked for
24.
tomorrow as well. But
We do
then
some
we moved
Hand
it.
and Brain World Championship.
guys, we will only talk about chess.com on my stream, please.
Oh, on
Chess
your stream.
24. Oh, so good. Champions Chess Tour is happening.
क्या भाई? एक साल पहले बदल गए भाई ऐसे. 1 year ago, you were on Twitch, chess.com everywhere on your logo. Rakesh bhai on your phone call. And now, look at you. Vidit Kerosene Gujarati.
What can I say, guys? What can I say? What can I
Anything
say?
that is not 18 plus.
Yes. No, but
Uh,
honestly,
Honestly,
what about
Vidit
this
Gujarati.
tournament?
What about?
Honestly, what about your tournament? Are you really nervous?
So I'm like genuinely nervous. I was about to sleep, but then I cannot sleep because of this anxiety. There is this cold feeling on my neck when I think of it that I might lose.
Maybe it's the AC, no?
No. But how do you guys feel before like a tournament, like so much pressure?
Hmm.
Do you feel?
You know, Samay, I can tell
understand,
you
I
one thing. I can
understand.
tell you one thing, Samay. The good thing is, I mean, at least for experienced players, usually you feel kind of that. The moment though the game starts, it's supposed to be better. Like it's supposed to be gone. The moment the game starts, everything is gone. You're just in the moment.
But also
So what
you
I
have
advise
to-
you, Samay,
Is to
you have
not-
to. No. My advice is just you have to like focus on what you are doing. Yeah. So focus on pros. For example, right now you have to choose something to do. Like now you are on the stream, you have to be in the moment. Then you can read book, and while you read book, you're supposed to block the other, like not block, but the other thoughts will not even appear. You understand?
कोई
You
सेंस
have
है
to-
इस बात का?
हमें
keep
बहुत लग रही
yourself-
थी.
हमें बहुत लग रहा था. He didn't get it. Oh.
No,
No,
but
because it's a foreign language. That's why I didn't get it.
No, but I get what you're saying. But it's like there's this, the heartbeat starts increasing on the first move itself, and then it's weird.
No, but the thing is,
No, but I mean, you tell me I cannot do anything 18 plus, and you're just feeding the,
No. Heartbeat. Arey yaar.
Okay, fine. No, but I'm seriously speaking now. When you start the game, first move, it will go, man. It will all go. It will
Yeah.
go.
Let's do one stream, no, an issue, and let's talk only 18 plus stuff. Let's do that. Let's
to
save
get
it
it out
all
of the
for there.
system.
Yeah,
Yeah, to
yeah,
just
let's-
get it out of the system and
Yeah.
never again, never
Yes.
after. For your members, yeah, you have membership only
Yeah.
streams.
like and all that stuff. So actually this nervousness will be inhibition to your strength. So you got to chill. What's
Yeah.
the worst that can happen? Like
7 accuracy.
nothing. Hmm?
7
Seven?
accuracy.
No, but you need to play. Yeah,
You need
playing
to
two
play
strong
offline
opponents.
also.
Two
I'm
strong
playing.
opponents is bad, for confidence.
No, I'll be fine, man. Whatever happens, we will take that route.
See, if nothing works, use Black Lotus, and all that anxiety.
Yeah, I was thinking that it was like a big segue of Samay to then suddenly say like, yeah, so Mama Hair has this new product to calm your anxiety. It's called Mama Hair Calm.
It's
You
only
know?
Black Lotus who does it.
No, but you know,
Yeah,
on a serious note, Mama Hair's onion, that thing, they also relieve stress.
Huh?
They have onion
Yeah.
oil in their hair products, so that relieves stress.
Yeah, definitely. Many things relieve stress, Samay. You should
No,
definitely do one of them.
Anish. No,
And-
no, Anish.
And what I'm just saying, you need to relieve stress. So many things relieve stress. Just don't focus on the stress. Yeah.
I don't know this Anish Giri, man. I don't know this Anish Giri.
I'm
Anish
tired,
point,
man. When I'm
Anish
tired,
point,
it just
Anish point.
flows. Yeah.
Anish
Oh,
point.
man.
Okay, so Samay, you have a fan whose name is Bhuvyanshu. He has been like throughout the stream watching my stream but worried about you. He says, Samay, you will always be the guy who made chess fun. So don't worry.
Thank you. But I want to also be the guy who plays chess well. Anyway, that's my own personal thing. Enough about me. What did you guys do today?
We played Title Tuesday.
Apart from that, you did something.
Yeah,
I
actually,
wrote-
I was watching. Go ahead. What did you read?
What were you watching? No, we want to know now what you were watching today.
No. Just Quiz Gambit. This Quiz Gambit. Yeah, I was watching Quiz Gambit.
Great.
I was
Hmm?
I was playing Bullet with Nihal in the afternoon, and I was writing the script for
Which
graphic.
script? Oh, for graphic.
With it,
yeah,
which graphic. Oh, pain.
Takes
Tell
time.
me-
It takes time. To
Yeah,
write.
it's a big project. Huh? Tell me
Yeah.
this Nihal. Which time control? Which bullet?
1-0.
1-0. Oh, but that's fine. That's fine. Then you did
No,
okay.
I was practicing. Yeah.
No, 1-0 with Nihal is just very hard. I think I lost also some. I mean, better score than you, but still lost.
How was your SCC?
It was
Anish?
good.
Like 8.5.
Yeah, it was
But
okay.
no, but like,
8.5 what?
did you do you flagged Levy? Yeah, I saw at some point.
Oh, today you mean today?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I mean, no. I was the entire game. I was totally winning, and then I blundered the full bishop. I
Bishop
was two
C2.
bishops. Full
Bishop
bishop
C2.
I gave. Yeah. And then I just flagged them. But yeah, it was painful, man. Painful.
Somewhere, what everybody that day I was playing on Chess 24 also. Everybody was asking what is Cat Gambit. Like they were saying play Cat Gambit. What is Cat Gambit?
When I'm in a losing position, I start emotionally blackmailing. Matlab, getting sympathy on the chat. I'm like, hey man, my cat is really unwell. She's puking. I need to take her to the vet. Please take my draw. I have gotten so many draws like that. In a completely, there's a mate in one. Okay, and I'm like, dude, she's gonna die. It's a matter of life and death. And then they give me a draw.
But Samay, you had also some tweet about cat. Yeah, you actually have like a whole zoo at home. Yeah, like a bunch of cats. You torture and throw and stuff. Yeah. For comedic purpose.
No, guys, that's not true. PETA, no PETA. Yes, thank you. Stream कब तक करोगे? Let's see. I'll stream until another half an hour until I feel good. We'll play some game.
No, I'll
With it-
probably.
You have to
I'll
stay
probably-
awake, no? Like in general, because when is your Magnus Carlsen thing? Man, let's play normal chess. No, I learned something.
No, you give odds. Anish, you give odds to Samay. Content OP. I will call it a night because.
Oh,
I
you
was
will? Oh,
working
if you want to
towards-
call it night, I'm also calling it night. I just thought that you wanted to stay awake,
But you said any combination right now. You changed.
No, I mean,
With
I mean, if
Grandmaster, not
Samay
with
insists-
Grandmaster.
If Samay insists, of course, always, yeah. But
No, that's
in
fine. If
general,
It's just the thing is it's 2 and I didn't take even a nap in the afternoon. Yeah, so I'm a little bit tired. Thoda.
okay, cool. It's
But
fine,
Samay,
Anish. You
I'm
can
a
chill.
little bit worried because you genuinely look tense.
No, no, it's okay, man. This tension is good. This will make
come
this
on,
will drive me harder.
But it's just COB3. There will be
Vidit, you look
COB4
like
also.
this your whole life. It's fine. Don't worry, man.
That's true. That's true.
Don't worry, don't worry. I mean, you're always like, Vidit, what are you worried? I don't know. This breakfast. Should I have 2 breads or 1? I'm doubting.
Yeah, I used to be like this, like
Yeah.
every little
Used to
thing,
be?
I used to be worried.
Should I sleep in
For
a blanket or a towel?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
But
should I
cool,
tell
man.
Anish?
My chat is saying rate PewDiePie. How will we rate PewDiePie? यार? क्या चल रहा है?
My
Oh, are you
chat's-
streaming right now, Samay?
I'm live.
Ah, nice,
Everyone is
nice,
streaming,
nice.
no? Anish, you're also streaming.
I'm
no?
I continue my Tuesday stream, guys. Let's see. Oh, you have 11K watching for the same shit that we have on my channel. For the same shit that we have here, you have 11K
But
watching.
we solved the dilemma of chat because chat wanted to watch your stream, Samay's stream, my stream at the same time, and also Sagar Bhai was streaming, and they could not. And Samay is laughing. He's like, "Why are you laughing?"
I'm still laughing over just what Anish said. Anish is so funny sometimes,
Arey, you should give him a stand-up.
Man, you should come to India.
You
You should do some stand-up, man. Anish, I'm saying you should sit down, write jokes.
No, if Anish does stand-up, it will be a hit. I'm telling you.
Yeah, you
It'll
should.
be a
You
hit.
should. Do you have stage
but
fright,
I
Anish?
No, I'm just there. Yeah?
He
No, but
never got.
performing.
Come on, just
Yeah.
stage fright is
No, no.
different, no? Public speaking.
No, he never got
public
invited to give a
speaking.
public speech. So how would he know?
What a burn! What a burn, man.
Only press conference.
No, I had.
Guys, press conference is not public speaking.
No, I had public speaking. Yeah, I had. No, public. I don't know. I had inside the company. I don't know if that's public speaking. Yeah, it's kind of public speaking. But yeah, I never did some TEDx where I was talking about balcony. This I did.
Oh, man.
You know what? You should. It's not about what you are telling yourself. It's about what you whisper. Yeah. So I read some old Chinese saying somewhere, translated it, and and used it in his speech. Oh god.
Destroyed in seconds, guys.
But at least I got invited.
Oh, nice one. 2-1, 2-1. Let's go.
That's so bad. That's so bad. No, but yeah, for sure. No stage fright. But yeah, India not yet happening though. Yeah, I guess. Although when they have vaccine, if they have vaccine soon. Samay, question. Everybody wants to know. Since you are streaming, also your chat will want to know when a vaccine comes and they say, okay, back to stand-up comedy. You will do stand-up comedy or both or what?
That is a question I ask myself every night.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will have an answer, maybe.
Then we will see, chat. He might sell you. He might sell you for a comedy venue, and that's it. But then, chat, you can go to comedy. That's maybe good. All the people that have actually imagine if you quit streaming, all these fans they will go to your comedy and they score expensive tickets. So much cashing in.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
you want all the live watching. Tell me honestly. You want all the live watching, guys. Please, I'll do one thing. When I leave, I'll rename my channel as Anish Giri. You take it from there.
Ah, you're watching. I mean, no, it's fine. No, but I mean, it's actually pretty good. Yeah, if you stop streaming and only do these comedy shows, then people will it will be like.
No, but
Non-stop, yeah? You
but
can
I
do
don't
tour
want
non-stop.
him to stop. Actually, I want him to.
Yeah, of course, he
keep
raids you all
doing
the time.
streaming.
Of course.
Bye, Anish. Anish, jealous in chat, please.
We did like, I don't want you to stop all of my, all the super chats.
No, but I think all the and chat also wants the same. Yeah, that Samay should not stop streaming.
Bye.
Because we stream one or two things, but Samay is the one who always kind of like invents new things. Keeps something exciting. Like as they said, he made chess. Reach mass audience. So
Doing
anything
it
he does, he should.
in the name
not-
of chess. Anything.
Yeah, no, I guess I may also get a bit addicted, but I think it depends. It depends
Yeah,
on
Why is
this,
everyone saying Magnus Carlsen tweet?
Oh, Magnus tweeted. Let me see.
Okay, maybe it's because of Anish.
See, Anish is the first one to go.
Yeah, of course. Ty Devil, thank you for the
Magnus.
super sticker. Thank you.
Oh, he did tweet to Anish.
Thank you, Vanch. Thank you so much.
You mean from yesterday or what?
Do more of what
Ah, this
makes
from
you
yesterday,
happy.
yeah.
Oh, you know
It's
his
here, you
tweet
see?
by heart.
It's here.
This is in behind,
This
no?
is the last one, yeah.
Oh.
Do more of what makes you happy. But
Well,
what
you know
did
what's
Magnus
funny?
tweet?
He was fanboying. His previous tweet is to Elon Musk. He's fanboying Elon Musk. Of course, no reply. Yeah. Elon probably looks, he thinks, who is this noob, yeah? Magnus Carl, whatever it is. Some kind of Carl is writing me. I here have my rocket launch. He's trying to mock my rocket. Some kind of Magnus Carl, whatever, yeah? In a suit.
भाई देख तेरे को खेलना है भाई with उसके tournament. We have to play in his tournament.
Not even 1 million followers. He thinks some kind of noob from, I don't know, Sweden or whatever, yeah? Talking about some kind of world chess champion. Yeah, probably, I don't know what he thinks. Some balloon championship. He thinks, yeah, I don't know. At least I know some Hiraina. This guy, I don't know who it is, so it's close. But yeah, no, good stuff.
But they're just seeing his chess 24 contract go away like this.
No, but they are invited. They invited for this, yeah? I mean,
You sold
they
your
invited
soul,
me.
that's what they said.
Yeah. No, I'm making them publicity. Bad publicity, good publicity is publicity. So I make them publicity all the time.
क्या हो
I
गया?
trash them and it's fine.
Anish,
It's fine.
how are you like this?
What?
Like just some so funny.
No, I mean, it's not. It's just I say what I think. Yeah, you're just hiding your thoughts. I'm just saying what I think.
Yeah,
That's just the
we heard a
difference.
lot of things today.
Yeah, nothing was hidden.
That's what.
Baboon, not baboon championship, balloon championship. I mean, some balloons. I thought. I mean, baboon. No, Jesus.
Not how are you like this? Just why are you like this? Chat में someone is asking.
Why? Yeah.
Roasting sponsors, feed
Invite-
Anish. Guys, let's do it, yeah. You know what? Let's do it. Let's raid PewDiePie. What do you say?
It's like thanks
Sammy,
going
I
to
think,
Elon Musk. It's like-
Bro,
Sammy, okay, you have
If
10,000.
what
Okay, look,
will we
chat
rate
to
PewDiePie?
Sammy. Okay, I have
PewDiePie
nothing.
has
Marvin.
90
Chat
or
of
100
93k
million.
live
No, but
watching.
listen. No, but listen. Chat of Sammy. If
we better start
all
doing something.
No.
10,000
It is members
all
only.
go-
It's members only. It's members only.
It's members only.
Yeah.
Let me see. But if all the people rate him, literally all that are watching, then it might have some impact that he'll notice.
Oh, everyone's streaming on members only. Even Dr. Disrespect is on members only.
Wait, you mean PewDiePie is also members only?
Yeah, he's also streaming members only.
He has 93,000 watching. Of course, he has to be members only. The rest-
Wow.
Insane.
Yeah.
Wow. It's the last stream before COB3. Wish me luck, please. It's tomorrow, yeah?
No, it's
Or
day
not?
after tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to
Tomorrow.
fix my
Day of-
sleep cycle. I have to do some things.
Oh.
Yeah.
Prep. Serious prep tomorrow, guys.
Yes.
Tomorrow, Samay off stream. Hello. Yeah. So Sagar, sorry about everything. So tomorrow I have to play. Can you tell me what to play?
No, none of that, guys. I'm
Please
going to be
forgive me.
reading this tomorrow entire day. This is what I'm going to be reading.
Yeah, for sure. Asking Sagar for forgiveness is your plan for tomorrow. Off stream.
वो चॉकलेट तो खराब हो गए होंगे ना समय
मैंने
पे
खा लिया यार आज मैंने एक खा लिया और वो पूरा कड़वा हो गया था.
खराब हो गया होगा ना वो कब
कब
भेजा
का है
था
वो?
पिछले मंथ भेजा था मैंने
अरे
20
यार.
अक्टूबर 20 अक्टूबर भेजा था
फूड पॉइजनिंग हो गई होगी मेरे को.
अरे बाय आपने
मैंने तो खाया है, मम्मी को भी खिला दिया.
इट्स 1 मंथ ओल्ड चॉकलेट
और मेरी मम्मी ने कुछ बोला भी नहीं. मैं खाया, मैं विदित ने भेजा, मम्मी खा भी गई. मम्मी बोले अच्छा
अरे
अच्छा.
आंटी
Okay,
आंटी को
short
सॉरी
summary
बोलो
of last 2 minutes, guys. Short English summary of last 2 minutes.
I had sent chocolates Vedikas chocolates to Samay
Uh-huh.
but last month but it just
Oh.
reached him now and he ate
Oh.
it. Of course it's spoiled.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, it has nuts and stuff. It's very fresh, good chocolate. Oh, spoiled Sagar Shah. Usually now it's spoiled chocolate. I mean, it's really bad, yeah.
This is
Wow.
Indian courier service for you.
Yeah, okay, now it's
Reaches
normal.
after 1 month. I mean, I can send it to USA and it will reach in 15 days. What is this?
No, but actually, if you're, I mean, you can also send to me, yeah, the chocolates. If 1 month is okay, you can sell to me also. I mean, it's no problem.
Yeah, definitely. She is going to send it to you for sure.
There is one guy on PewDiePie writing some right, they say. The PewDiePie chat, like, his chat probably going completely mental, yeah? And there is one guy
PewDiePie
that
reacting.
says,
Oh my god, Samay reading.
yeah.
Is it the real Samay?
Samai? Who is Samai? Whatever. It continues. That's it. You think Samai, you think he knows you? PewDiePie?
Of course not.
Of course not, yeah. Well, I don't know. Maybe, you never know, yeah? This YouTube algorithm. Maybe at some point he clicked something, some Omegle thing, and then he got to you.
I got so many messages. Where is Raja? When is Raja? I think Raja,
Raja
is
is-
only streaming on Chess 24 now. He's not streaming on his
With a
channel.
mustache.
Yeah. Mustache there.
Raja is not coming
Bro,
to his channel.
89,000 people watching, man. That's like sick.
No, that is nothing. Corp's husband had like 143. I
Whose
saw.
husband?
Corp's
Whose
husband.
Whose Whose husband?
Corpse husband.
Whose husband? I like this.
Corpse husband.
Corpse husband. You know what is corpse, right?
Who's corpse?
He doesn't know what is
Corpse husband.
Who
He
is
doesn't even
corpse?
know corpse. He doesn't know husband because he doesn't know the corpse. So what's the
Corpse
point?
husband.
But
Had
who-
He
one
doesn't
po-
know even the corpse herself. So
Corpse
how does he
कौन है
know the
भाई?
husband?
Corpse husband. Had
Who is
1
corpse?
His husband.
Who is corpse, yaar? Don't play with me, guys. Guys, chat, do you know who is corpse?
No, it's like Samay right now. You say who is Samay?
No, is he a YouTuber, corpse?
Yeah.
Corpse husband,
yes.
not corpse. Corpse husband.
Corpse
That's a
husband is
YouTube
one-
channel.
One. Yes, called Corpse Husband. Yes,
Oh.
some kind of horror
But who
channel.
is corpse then?
Yeah. Wife. It's wife of him. It's his wife. Obviously, it's his
Corpse
wife.
husband's
obviously.
wife.
Yeah, Corpse Husband's wife.
So
Absolutely.
Scout had 300k live. Damn, dude.
Oh, Dr. Disrespect had 300k. Mr. Beast had 1 million. Wow.
Nice.
1 million what? Life?
Live watching.
Live. Mr. Beast had 1 million live watching.
That's
Wow.
what
He's a
Wow.
beast. Yeah, but he probably did some kind of money thing. Yeah, like whatever. Like the millionth watcher will get $100,000 or whatever. Then just everybody goes.
Damn.
I mean, you should do with money something. It's nice. Stop being greedy.
Yeah,
and
yes,
give
we're
away
doing
your mama
something
money.
with money. Guys, in the chat, whoever will guess the winners of each rounds will get 5,000 rupees each from Turnip. So that's something we're doing.
Yeah.
So of COB3.
Okay.
There you go, Anish. I have some
Give
plan
some
for
hope.
everything.
Yeah, you need some money, man. Money is important. You need to put money somewhere.
Yeah.
That's why I play Title Tuesday, because I'm playing for big bucks here, you know?
when my last super chat is when will you guys stop streaming so I can sleep? So
Yeah, I think that's my question only.
I think I'll stop
No,
streaming.
I'll also
soon, yeah.
stop. I'll also go.
Chalo.
All right, brother. Bye bye. Nice biceps.
guys,
your
bye-bye.
show.
No,
Bye,
I'm
Anish.
not showing by. Samay, chill. Take a chill.
Yes.
And take a chill pill. I was gonna say, but that's so bad. Sounds so bad. Anish, take care. See you in.
Yeah.
See
If
you
you want to
tomorrow.
play, if you want to
in
play
Hand
some
and Brain.
weaker, if you want to play a weaker opponent in Bullet, I'm always there. Yeah, you can always call me up.
Yeah, that's of course we should do it.
Yeah.
But tomorrow, Hand and Brain World Championship. before
I'm
that.
not there. I tell you. Do they still do it without me? Amazing, yeah. Amazing. They just left me like this, and they say tomorrow you and Raja and some 2 other people. I don't know who.
Oh, who's the Iron Brain? You and?
I thought I and Anish are a team, but he says he's not available, so I don't know.
We are
Maybe
supposed
me and
to
Raja. Of course, the other
Oh,
Wolfpack
epic.
member. Yeah.
No, Raja will also be there on.
The thing is, I'll tell Raja
Friday.
peace, and half of the time he's going to troll me, and he's going to give a speech.
No, we don't.
Raja's
No,
speech-
Chess 24.
Where is
No,
this
Raja
happening,
on
but-
Chess- no, but guys, Raja on Chess 24 is going to be completely serious. It's going to be like, so here I thought D4, D5, C4, C6, knight f3, knight f6, and everybody like Raja, can you blink? And Raja will be there, serious, not blinking. I told you, no jokes, forget jokes. Raja will do no jokes tomorrow, 0 jokes.
Yeah, you better learn the King's Indian setup.
Yeah, just King's Indian.
Seriously,
King's Indian
guys,
defense.
D4 with it? Seriously?
Yeah,
Man, guys, fine. D4?
there's gonna be no Akash in chat, yeah, tomorrow. Don't even think.
Oh, today there were a lot of Tejas. I think I trolled Tejas today. I was taking inspiration from Raja today. That was good.
Alright, guys. See you
Okay,
next time.
chalo.
Bye bye.
Good night. Bye bye, Samay. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Anish.
guys. Bye, guys.
Please take care of yourself, man, Anish.
No, I'm fine.
You're deteriorating.
It's just a teenager thing. It will go.
Yeah. Alright, see you.
Yeah. See you.
चैट इसी के साथ हम भी लेते हैं आपसे विदा. बाय बाय. टेक केयर. सी यू सून. Mr. Beast loves chess. Approach him. You can't. Okay. Anish should have roast stream. Sleep, man. Yes. Santosh sleeping. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.